Hello YouTubers, Snaponjohn 100 back again, and I just thought I'd do something a little different. Donnie Boy 73 had mentioned he liked my toolboxes, and I'd seen several videos where people were just showing the contents of their drawer, and my wife just reminded me again that I needed to make an inventory, which I have neglected to do because it was going to be such a horrendous task because I didn't have a camera or anything. So now I thought, well, it might be a good time just to go through some of the stuff with a camera. So I'm back with a tripod. Hopefully this will work out. As I said before, this is a ball joint installer and remover. This is a DeWalt 12-volt drill. DeWalt reciprocating saw. Now, for the contents of this toolbox right here, this is the first toolbox you come to, bottom drawer. And inside we have right here is a that is a manifold and gauge set for air conditioning work. Over here is a compression tester for a cooling system, so radiator caps. There's a timing light right there. There's a riveting kit. This right here is a tire repairing kit for flat tires, putting tire plugs in. Here's a compression serpentine belt tool. This is a ISO flaring tool, sometimes called bubble flare, for brake lines or fuel lines. This is a Mighty Vac. It's a hand vacuum pump, so you can apply vacuum to test anything that runs off vacuum or the integrity of your EGR or EVAP system. Over here is a Snap-on. Okay, the contents of the second to the bottom drawer. We've got tube cutters, all different sizes for different applications as far as getting tighter spots. Down here we have, these are for installing connectors on the end of coaxial cable. This is one for phone. These are for prepping copper tubing. These are a couple of ratcheting tap wrenches, and over here is a collection of plastic thread pitch gauges that you can just check real quickly. Okay, now I took the boxes out. The first box is a tap and die set. It's a 76 piece metric and SAE sizes. Can't really get along without a good tap and die set. Constantly saving yourself. Okay, sometimes you get a bolt that you can't replace and the threads are messed up, and you can chase the bolt threads and fix it. Okay, here's a smaller set that I just kind of threw together. This has got different dies, and these are different taps. Most of these are SAE sizes. Here's some Starrett tap wrenches in here, jeweler's screwdrivers. There's another ratcheting tap wrench. Here's some very large taps and dies, and these are all die called die stocks, the handles to put the dies in. And over here is starret pin vices. And there's a mic down here. Over here is thread pitch gauges, 2 different kinds. They're very valuable. You gotta have that so you can tell what pitch you're working with, or the threads. And the last thing in that drawer is a Gatco knife sharpening system. Okay, the blade clamps in that, and then you use the different size stones. Okay, that's the contents of that drawer. Now for the second to the top drawer. Here's a this is a butane soldering gun, or soldering iron. Okay, so when you need to go remote, where you don't have to rely on having something plugged in. This is a set of that's for plumbing. These are a set of sockets, double-ended sockets. This is for plumbing. This is just kind of saws, both kinds of, regular saw and a hacksaw. There's a small saw to get into drywall. This is kind of a household items drawer. In here, strap wrench. There's another strap wrench in here. Torpedo level. This is a nice.